Today we are going to be making these succulent magnets that are really cute and they are so simple to make. Hi, I'm Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorials. We really don't need a lot of supplies for our craft project today. We've got some magnets, our cute little artificial succulents, and some E6000 glue. And I'm probably gonna need some scissors, so I'm gonna keep those close by. For our larger succulents, I am going to use 3/4 inch size magnets. And the first thing I'm going to do is just remove the stem, just by twisting that off. Okay, so then we have the two pieces. We don't need this piece, we can just throw it away. Do the same to that one. And this little spout here on the back end of the succulent, that is what we want to get rid of. So we're gonna grab a pair of scissors and cut that off as close to that base as we can. Now we're gonna take our magnets and our E6000 glue. I've got just a scrap piece of paper here so I don't get glue on my surface. And I am going to put a big glob of glue on that magnet. Now I like the E6000 because I think it'll be a little bit more permanent. Hot glue dries quicker, but I feel like it won't be as permanent against these plastic rubber bases. Okay, now I'm going to pick that up and put that right there onto the back of our succulents. And then we are just going to let those dry. Now let's do our smaller succulents. And for these I've got 1/2 inch magnets. And we're gonna do the same thing. Just take them off of the stem. Again, we can throw the stem away. Now with these, you want to cut off this first layer here so you can get more of a flat end. And just look at your succulent because each one may be different, but you want to get a nice flat end. We're going to hold that back so I can see what I'm doing. And we're going to cut that off. Okay, and now we have a much flatter end there to work with. So now we're going to take our magnet, and here I've got a good glop. Whoop! Got a good glop of glue right there just dripping from my container. So I'll use that. And then we're going to put that onto the back of our succulent. And you may need to hold it still for just a minute until that glue starts to set and hold so it won't slide off. Now that my cute magnets are finished and completely dry, all that's left is to put them on my fridge. Aren't they so cute? I absolutely love how they turned out. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.